Welcome to MyTrendyPhone repair videos. In this video we will show you how to easily replace the broken LCD on your Google Pixel phone. You can attempt the repair yourself, but be advised that MyTrendyPhone cannot be held liable for any potential damage you cause during the DIY repair. Turn off your device and preferably remove the SIM tray. Use the heat gun to loosen the glue so you can easily remove the LCD. With a thin metal opening tool and some plastic guitar picks, start cutting through the glue and separating the screen from the frame. Remove the following screws and the metal shield. Then you can disconnect the broken screen. Thoroughly clean the frame from the glue residue. Now apply some fresh glue all around the frame, the same way our technician did. Connect the new LCD to the motherboard and don't forget the shield and the screws. Set down the display and attach clamps. Leave it dry and the repair is done. Until the next one, thanks for watching.